We're going to start with the filters. You can see here, currently we're searching a residential property. You can swap this by clicking here and then choosing between residential, residential lease, land, multifamily, commercial, or cross-property search. Cross-property search allows you to search any property type, but will only give you filters available for all selected property types. To keep things simple, we're going to stay on residential. Next, we have the data source. The Greater El Paso MLS is doing a data share with Las Cruces MLS. Clicking here, we can choose either Greater El Paso MLS, the Las Cruces MLS, or if you hold Control and left click, you can select both options. Anytime you have a drop down like this with multiple options, you'll be able to do that Control click to choose each option individually. We're going to keep it on Greater El Paso MLS just to keep things smooth. Moving down, you can see a wide variety of filters that are already here, including status, price, city, zip code, subdivision, bedrooms, bathrooms, and square footage. While these can help you filter down the results some, when you're helping clients, they're obviously going to be wanting more specific than that. So if we scroll down on the left, you can click Add a Field. That's going to pop up this section on the right with all the fields available to filter with. As you can see, it's a very long list, so we won't be going over each one individually. But we're going to showcase just a quick search. So say the people we're helping want refrigerated air. All we have to do is type part of refrigerated, and you can see it filters down all of those filters to either a refrigerator or, more importantly, and what we're looking for is cooling refrigerated. Clicking refrigerated adds just the refrigerated section to our search. Now, if they want a pool as well, we can type pool. And now under this pool section, we have all these options. Since we want to add the whole pool section, we're going to hit the plus next to it. Now going back to the left, you can see we have our pool section and multiple options for it. In our search, we're going to tell it to do a heated pool that is above ground. And you can see that we're down to 74. And actually, right now it's searching for above ground or heated pool. So we want to click on this blue or right here. Right here, and change that to and above ground. Now it's searching for above ground and heated. If we want to change that to heated but not above ground, we can click there again and change it to not above ground. So this is looking for any heated pool that is not above ground. To finish our search, we're going to add a zip code. We're going to do 79935. And now we're filtered down and we only have 2 results.